Improving soil quality reduces the recurrence of ant hills by making the lawn less attractive for nesting and by encouraging denser turf that disrupts ant colonization. Ants prefer loose, dry, well-drained soil and sparse vegetation where they can build mounds with minimal disturbance, so the most effective strategy is to change those conditions. Start by consistently amending the lawn with 1 to 2 inches of fully decomposed compost applied twice a year in spring and fall to increase organic matter and water retention. Use organic mulch around beds and trees to reduce bare soil patches and hold moisture near roots, which supports thicker plant growth and discourages ants from creating exposed nests. Where sandy areas dominate, blend in loam or a loam-based topsoil using a rake and light tilling to raise the soil texture. Aim for a crumb structure that holds moisture but still drains moderately well. Overseed thin patches with a mix of shade and sun-tolerant turf varieties matching your region and water lightly but frequently to encourage establishment, then taper to deeper, less frequent irrigation as roots deepen. Monitor ant hills every month, mark their locations, and note size changes so you can correlate soil amendments with reduced activity over multiple seasons. 3 common mistakes are applying too little organic matter, which yields no change, overwatering, which creates conditions for other pests and disease, and ignoring localized sandy pockets that remain ideal for ants. If you apply too little compost, expand to the recommended 1 to 2 inches twice yearly until soil structure improves. If you overwater, adjust to deeper, less frequent watering that strengthens turf roots and reduces surface moisture attractive to some ant species. If you ignore sandy patches, focus on bringing in loam and regrading small depressions so ants lose their preferred nesting substrate. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical guidance on projects like soil improvement and lawn pest management. Our community discussion forums let us exchange experiences, ask questions, and find contractors seeking work in our neighborhoods.